hasn't been a new asset class since the bond market was created in 1693. Well, now there's a new asset class, and it is the digital asset space. The question is, are you participating? Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the Crypto Siege with another day in the life, in the crazy life that is a digital asset space. So, guys, listen, how can you make money with cryptocurrency in 2020, in 2020. Guys, I'm going to share with you 4 different ways that you can make that happen. So let's get into this. I'm really, really excited about being able to share this video. By the way, happy Saturday to you. So guys, listen, here it is. There's 4 ways. You can hold, you can day trade, you can trade, or you can do like the wealthy do, which is leverage and not liquidate your assets. And so we're going to go through all 4. So here we are, we're new to the space. We wanted to do some things in the digital asset space, as I like to call it, with cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. And so you go to a site like this, livecoinwatch.com. And in here, what you can do is you can learn about the different digital assets, all the assets in the space today. I like to call them digital assets rather than cryptocurrencies. So you can see it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, there's USD Tether, there's XRP, there's Bitcoin Cash, and so on and so forth, BSV, Litecoin, Binance Coin, EOS, Cardano, and Tezos, right? So you go through all of these different ones, and there's different pages. It goes all the way up to 50 pages, thousands and thousands and thousands of digital assets. Okay, so let's say you decide to stay in the top 20 digital assets. So first of all, you got to learn about the different assets and what they look like. But let's say that you decided that you realize that what you want to get. Let's say you want to go with XRP as an example, right? So you can click on XRP. Here's 2 things here. You can click on XRP. You can learn a little bit about it. From clicking on here, you can see the current price is 19 cents. You can see the all-time high at one time was $3.92, right? $3.92. You can go down here to the middle right and you can copy, you can go a link to the website, ripple.com. You can check them out on Twitter. I believe that's Reddit, Facebook page, their Telegram chat, and I'm not sure what that one is, right? So all the different places you can learn more about it. But let's say you've done that. You've learned everything about the assets, you want to purchase it, you purchase it and say, well, okay, what do I do next, right? So there's 4 things that you do, right? There's 4 things that you can do. Number 1 is you can just hold it, right? You've already got yourself a Ledger Nano S or X as an X-ray. Perhaps you've already downloaded the Exodus wallet, right? And you're just going to send it over to the Exodus wallet and you're just going to hold on to it. You've done your homework. You understand that this is a great project. You're just going to hold it. Okay, you're gonna hold on to it for the long term. Look, you're getting 5 for $1 now at 19 cents. The previous all-time high was $3.92. So you're excited, right? You've done your homework. You realize you believe it's gonna go even higher than that during this next bull run. So you're just gonna hold, right? Nothing wrong with that, right? Nothing wrong with that. You're gonna hold. Now there's another thing that you can do, okay, and that is what they call day trade. And day trading is essentially you making, I don't know, 4, 8, 10, 12 trades on XRP every, in a single day. Think about that. In a single day, right? So in a day like this, like today from 1 o'clock yesterday till current time this morning. Hi. You're you're looking at the charts. You're studying the charts. Okay, day trading. Okay, a very, very, very skilled profession. Very, very, what is the word I want to say? Time consuming. I used to day trade Bitcoin, BTC, and gosh, 4, 8, 10 trades every single day. Very, very tough to do. Okay, but it can be done. Listen, here's the thing. You can hodl. Very, very safe. You don't have to learn much. You can day trade. You're going to make more money day trading if you know what you're doing. But again, do you have the time and the energy and the resources and know-how to do that 4, 8, 10, and 12 times a day? Then there's the other thing that people do is that they trade digital assets. And what I mean by that is they hold on to it for 30, 60, 90, 120 days. Okay, for example, let's go click over here to 90 days, right? And they look for that 15, 20, 25%, 35% gains. That's what they're looking to do. And so they check, you can check out, this is a 90-day history. So you can check out what has gone on with XRP in the last 90 days. And is it up in the last 90 days? Is it down? Is it up? If it's up, is it up 10%, 15%, 25%, right? So you can trade it that way. And some people do that. Some people take 90 day, 120 days, a look at a chart on the digital assets. And if there's a gain of, generally 15 to 35%, they'll take the gains, which means you sell all of your XRP and you take the gains, or you sell 90% of it and you take the gains. But again, that is a skilled thing, because you will have to learn how to recharge. You will have to learn and kind of track where it is. And there's some apps that you can use. You can set alerts for particular gains and different things like that. So that is trading. Not as difficult as day trading, okay? Not as difficult. But in either case, day trading, 4 to 12 times a day, making a trade, trading, making a trade, 1 to 2 times every 120 days or 180 days. Okay. Both of those ways, if you're skilled enough to do it, you'll make more money than just traditionally just holding it on a Ledger Nano X or holding it in the Exodus wallet. Okay. So those are 3 ways. Now the 4th way, which is the way that the vast majority of my time with my digital assets, is leverage the assets that I hold. And what do I mean by that? Well, wealthy people, we talk about this on our Generational Wealth Wednesday, every single Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. And we talk, generational wealth strategies, traditional market strategies, how to make money, how to set up your wealth advisor team, et cetera, et cetera. One of the things we talk about is earning money on your money, like the wealthy do. The wealthy don't liquidate their assets. They leverage their assets. What do we mean by that? So here it is. This is a great platform to start to think and act like the wealthy and institutions do. Have your crypto and earn it too. So this is called Celsius.network. Really, really excited about this platform. This platform allows you to leverage your assets and earn interest on those particular assets. Earn BTC on BTC, Bitcoin. Earn Ethereum on your Ethereum. Own XRP. Earn XRP on the XRP that you already own without selling it, without trading it. And so here are some examples, right? Have your crypto and earn it too. Earn up to 10% interest on your deposits. The green is you earn and sell. The blue is you earn in the assets that you deposit on the platform. The buy crypto buttons are provided by third parties. Okay, we don't need to know that. So here's the sell token. This is the native token to Celsius.network. Just like Binance has the Binance token, the Huobi exchange has the Huobi token. KuCoin exchange has their own token called KuCoin, right? So here it is. Here are the interest that you can earn on BTC. If you deposit BTC onto the Celsius.network app, which is so very, very easy to use, you earn 4% APY on your Bitcoin. You earn 6.2% if you have a certain amount of cell tokens. That's optional. You don't have to have them, but you earn more interest. This is APY. Ethereum, 3.82% if you don't own any cell, and 6.2% if you earn a certain amount of cell. Okay, and there's Litecoin. There's Ripple. Here's an example of XRP, okay? 3.61% for simply depositing your digital assets on the Celsius.network app and leaving it there. That's it. No, first of all, you're earning interest on your interest. You're acting and thinking like financial institutions do, and the ultra high net worth individuals do, right? Again, they don't liquidate their assets. They leverage their assets. They earn interest on their interest. They earn money on their money. And this platform is a perfect example of how to do it. It's the Celsius network. Absolutely love it. One of the things that a lot of people don't understand yet in the digital asset space is you can actually earn interest on your fiat dollars, right? And in the cryptocurrency space, it's called stable coins. So here's, for example, you see USDC coin. That essentially is a cryptocurrency version of your fiat dollars. So if you have $100, okay, and you transition that into US dollar coin, okay, and then you put it on the Celsius platform, now you have $100 in USDC coin. But here's the difference between keeping it in the digital asset space and leaving it in a traditional bank. You earn 8.69% APY on your $100. APY, 8.69%. Guys, tell your friends and family to learn more about the Celsius.network. There will be a link in the description of this video. In fact, it's in the description of all of my videos. Think about that, guys. So let's say initially they don't want to take the time to learn about Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP and Litecoin. They don't want to study those top 20 coins, but they do want to earn interest on their fiat dollar. This is the place to do it. You take your $100 out of the traditional bank, which is giving you less than 2% APY, if that, right? And you deposit it onto you purchase USD coins, you deposit it on the Celsius network. Very, very simple thing to do. And I will show you guys how to do that in another video. Once you're on the Celsius.network platform, you earn 8.69% APY. Here's the really, really cool thing about it. They pay it out weekly. They pay it out weekly. This is an example of some of the stuff. June 1st, look at all the emails. Interest payment received, 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 all on June 1st, interest payment received. And then you go to June 8th, same thing, interest payment received. They pay you out weekly on your interest. No fees to deposit your digital assets on this platform. No fees to take it off. No fees to get a loan. No fees at all on Celsius.network. So guys, those are the 4 ways to earn, to make money with your cryptocurrency in 2020. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the video below and I'll be sure to answer that. Guys, I hope this video has been helpful, and listen, we will check you guys out on the next video. Talk to you soon. See ya. Bye.